If you were wanting to know how to replace the ink pad on the Epson Eco-Tank 2800, 4800, 2700, 2400, or other related models, then stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this video. Alright, so maybe you did a print head cleaning, a power cleaning, you used a cleaning kit, and so at this point you need to change out your maintenance box because it has gotten full of ink and you want there to be better ink flow in your printer. Then you're going to need to change out the ink pad on your Epson Eco-Tank printer. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to get a ink pad from the link down in the description below. Fortunately, you don't have to use an OEM Epson product. You absolutely don't have to. There's no chip on this ink pad. So use the link that's down in the description below or pinned in the comments. That is the product that I stand by. Right now I'm using this current ink pad with this company. I am currently developing an ink pad, so depending on when you're watching this, you may be getting my product, and so support that product, give me 5 stars, and that'd be greatly appreciated. So once you remove the screw from that back plate, you can actually then remove it. You're going to want to use a Phillips head screwdriver, which will be included in the kit. And then you have a second screw that actually attaches the ink pad to the printer. You're going to remove that screw as well. Once those 2 screws are removed, you now have total access to remove the ink pad, and all you're going to do is slide it out. You can use the tweezers that come in the packaging, or you can do it by hand. You can use gloves as well because your ink pad may be way dirtier than this one. And now what you can do is you can actually place that old ink pad into the plastic bag that is going to come with this product. So that makes sure that you don't get ink anywhere. You can throw that in the trash. And now we can install the brand new ink pad. All you need to do is slide it in just like that. Make sure it's all aligned. And as long as everything is fitting right, you can replace that screw that holds in the ink pad to the printer. And then finally you can replace that panel that holds everything in, and that's pretty much all there is to it. There may be some prompts on your screen. You may have gotten a prompt to begin with that said you needed to replace your ink pad. I would do that before you get any error codes or any messages on your screen. This will put you ahead of the game with your printer maintenance, and if you had to do a power cleaning or you used a cleaning kit on this printer, this is just really going to help that process so that it does not happen again. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, remember, again, all the product links down in the description below. If you're having issues with your print quality, you may want to use the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. That will also be linked down below as well. And lastly, if you really want to save some money, you can use the remanufactured version of the ink for these printers. I'm going to link that 522 ink, which also I will be launching soon. When you help support the Best Printer product lineup, you really help support this channel. You help support me so I can continue to provide helpful information, helpful videos just like this one. That's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.